Hi everybody, Mary here again. And for my socially networked learning screencast, I wanted to go over one of my favorite social media pages, which is Instagram. And on this page, I'm going to show you the art page that I made, which is Sugar Moon Artistry. So if you see, I'll go over the layout real quick. Over here is this was a little logo I made. You can put a photo in here of yourself. Up here is your home. These are your messages, things that you like. Here's how many posts I have and how I can edit my profile. Here's my website. It'll take you right to that. And here's the little highlight bar. This will show you little images. Sometimes if you have a lot of postings, you can go to their highlights and you can see things that they found that they liked. So here's one of a painting that I had made. So I can just put those right in the highlight section. Now down here, you'll see there's another bar. It has posts, reels, TV, saved and tagged. So my posts would be anything that I have put up. And I put up little pictures of events that I've done and my art out and about, or little art quotes that I really like. So this is a nice little aesthetic feel. I kind of go with pinks and greens and reds, and you'll see all different collage works. And I have some photos of me and my family in there. If you go back up here, they have another thing that I like. It's called Reels. Reels are little 10 to 30-second videos that you can create. People do them on all sorts of things. I've seen ones on education where they quickly go through, like, this is how you make a Google slide, or artists do little quick time videos on their procession through an art piece. Some of them are just for fun. So on my Reels page, I will usually just go through, I'll pick a painting, and usually it's to music, so you just play it, and I have the video just kind of span around the entire image. So, and you can see the music is up here, and the title is right here. So those are reels. Saved is anything that I have saved myself, and tagged would be other people's profiles that have used my handle in their post. So this was an event that I did, and the people who came probably tagged me in this. So that's why it would show up underneath my tag. So that's a great way to collaborate with different artists on things. If I go back to posts and say let me pick one. Here we go. This was an event I did, and you would see I have mine here, my writing, and then people who wrote to me. So there's conversation going back and forth. Really easy way to chat with people, to collaborate with people. There's something called hashtags, where if you said something like, for this one, maybe you would put hashtag succulent plant. And then if you went up and you hit the search bar up here, you could hit succulent plant, and then anybody who has that hashtag in it would be able to search those images. So for my page, it would be mostly Syracuse artists who I collaborate with, or maybe people who look up different things that they want to see. Maybe I did hashtag watercolor paintings, and then somebody looked it up, and then they liked my page. There's like the like feature, and then we started to follow each other. So it's a neat collaboration between people and connections between people. Different ways you can search things, different ways that you can collaborate with different people. There's a message button, there's a home button, there is a location button. And I just think Instagram has a nice feel to it. It has a nice way to communicate with people. It has a nice way to get my event page out there, or to talk to other people on their events. And for education purposes, I have followed different teachers who use this to show different tips and management techniques, or I have followed different artists who show how they create art, and I have gotten many ideas from them. So highly recommend Instagram for social media learning purposes. Thank you.